Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics with Teacher Vaz, where clarity meets structure. So this is our second series in this channel and we'll be looking at Basic Mathematics Part 2. So please, I will beg you, if you have not gone through the Series 1, please do well to go through Series 1, Basic Mathematics 1, before coming to this. So in this new series, we are going to look at some advanced part of the basic mathematics, which will involve us looking at things like variables, and then we'll have things like x and y, and then we'll also go into looking at word problems, and then we'll also look at some important topics that is needed for the grade level mathematics and also very essential for the high school mathematics. Please do very well to go through each of the videos carefully, one after the other, solve all the exercises that are given at the end of the video. And if you have any challenge, please do well to reach out. Everything will be taken care of. Thank you very much. Welcome to Mathematics with Teacher Bas. Welcome to this new series. I hope you have a wonderful time enjoying this series. See you there.